So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 22nd till the 29th of May for 29th of May, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. Okay, and if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. The link is in the description box for the same as well. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Nine of Swords. Someone is not able to sleep at night thinking about everything that happened between you guys or still happening or ongoing kind of a deal. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Cancer, this is someone who is very much kind of a egoistic kind of a person, or they are someone who is very focused on their money, job, career kind of a deal. But now when they're losing something out of this situation, or might be they're losing you, this person's energies are drifting apart, like falling apart, like from being rude and egoistic, this person's energies are going towards this energy of, okay, I should not be rude, I should not be this much egoistic, I should just accept my feelings and I should just accept that I messed up. So someone messed up and now they're stressed out that they messed up. Okay, Cancer, this is your card only, so you will be moving forward. I think you feel like you're kind of moving forward, and now someone is losing their sleep that you are moving forward and they're left behind. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Devil. You feel like this is a devil. You definitely feel like this person is a devil, or they have devilish behavior. Something is toxic, something is unhealthy, something is not so good in this situation, and I think you gave them a lot of chances to make this right, but I think you are done. Let's clarify the devil. Yeah, they have toxic nature, they have toxic patterns, or they have toxic kind of behavior. We have the World card and Ace of Cups and the King of Swords. You're flipping the page and you are becoming very practical about the situation. No more chances to this devil. According to you, no more chances to this devil. You're over this and you're being very practical about it. You're like cutting this person's ass off your life. You're done with this situation, and you're like listening to your intuition, and your intuition is kind of telling you to let this go from a very long time, and finally you feel like doing it. Finally, when you're done. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cancer, let's see. Knight of Swords. Their intention is to run away from what they are feeling. Their intention is to totally run away from whatever they are feeling in this direction, because they don't want to feel whatever they are feeling. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Swords here. Wow. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and the King of Wands. It's like even though this person thinks that this person and you had a potential to become very beautiful, something very beautiful and stable, they want to see the situation as only infatuation kind of a thing. They don't want to, still this person doesn't want to face their feelings. Still they doesn't want to understand that they messed up because of their childish behavior or because of whatever. Still they don't want to face the situation or face you. Still they want to give it the name of it was only a lust, or it was only attraction, or it was only infatuation. Nothing more than that. And they want to run away from the feelings that they have for you. They feel for you. They see you as a soulmate kind of a person. They see you as a soul connection, but they don't want to accept it at any cost. Because them being them, although their ego is going down, their ego is melting, but they still have their own ways to keep it intact. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? The High Priestess. You just want to keep your mouth shut. You are in this energy of being very private, being very secretive. You're like, I just want to live my life. I just want to go in my cave and not come back, kind of a deal. Let's clarify the High Priestess. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Knight of Pentacles. See, you just want to get over this situation. You just want to bring the balance back in your life because you're too hurt to be doing anything in this situation to make this work out. So you're like slowly but surely letting go of this situation, even though you are still stuck on this situation very, very deeply. You just want to let it go because it's too painful, too hurtful to deal with. So you're like, okay, I can't do anything about it. So let me just get out of this slowly but surely. This is your plan, to get out of this and to be very practical, very, very practical about this situation. Not letting even a single emotion of yours make you go to this person's, towards this person. This is your intention. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 29th of May. Quite a messy situation, quite a complicated situation that you are in right now, honey. Let's see. Oh, it's Sunday today, I forgot. Two of Swords. Okay, things are going to be quite up in the air. Okay, there's no clarity, there's no understanding of what's going on. I don't know. Let's clarify the Two of Swords. We have the Four of Swords and the Page of Wands and the Temperance card. Yes, you guys will be like, okay, let's take a time out. Let's take a break from each other. Let's not talk to each other. Let's give each other enough time so that you guys can understand what the actual heck is going on inside of you individually, and then what you guys can do about the situation in the coming future. So it's like stay tuned, coming in the next episode kind of a deal, where you are not telling me but you guys are going to decide about this situation, but you guys are telling me because things are so much complicated, Anjali. We are going to take a break from each other. Maybe we guys are not even going to talk to each other like even once, and we guys are going to be patiently waiting for the time when we will be able to get the clear picture of the situation. So just for the time being, you guys will be like, we are on a break kind of a deal. Not a breakup kind of a deal. We are on a break kind of a deal from each other, deliberately kind of a deal. So at least one of you is proposing this energy to the other person, that take a break and let's see in the future kind of a deal, right? Maybe not verbally, but both of you are going to have this understanding that both of you need a break from each other and understand your energies individually. And I think both of you are going to be doing your own thing very beautifully. Very beautifully. You guys will be working on your own things, own dreams, and on the situations or on dealings of whatever you guys do, but taking a break from each other, I think, deliberately, and being patient about it. Very good. If not, you should. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Cancer, in the situation. We have the Ace of Wands, the Lovers, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yes, before wanting to have somebody by your side, before wanting to have a lover by your side, just start loving yourself and taking care of yourself and giving yourself the kind of love that you want from that particular person or energy that you want to be with. Cancer, it's very, very important for you guys to stand up on your 2 feet, love yourself, take care of yourself as much as you can, to the level of people wanting to talk to you, people wanting to approach you, people wanting to be with you. Not like, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that, but oh my god, I'm so unlucky, oh my god, I'm so that, I'm so this. Get out of the victim mode and start working on yourself, start taking of yourself. Being in the high vibrations is the only solution to to every problem of the life. I have seen it enough time, I have experienced this enough time. Everything will start coming to you only when you are in the high vibrations. And how to go in the high vibrations? Meditation, visualizations, affirmations, self-love, Ho'oponopono, Reiki healing, Lama Fera healing. These are the few things that you guys can do to raise your vibrations every day. So it's very difficult, but it's not impossible. But especially it's difficult when you start doing it, right? But when you are used to it, it's the easiest part of your life. It's like become a habit, a ritual, right? So yeah, habit banana padta hai, kind of a deal. So yeah, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.